Do not be afraid of them, for I am with you, and I will rescue you, declares the Lord. Jeremiah chapter 1, verse 8. In this first chapter of the book of Jeremiah, God is sending Jeremiah to testify against the kings of Judah, its officials, and its people who've turned against God. And a punishment is coming, and that's the Babylonians and the Assyrians will come and destroy Jerusalem and Judah and take the people into exile. And Jeremiah is there as the prophet to warn them. And God says, do not be afraid of them, even though they're resistant and stubborn and hostile. God says, do not be afraid of them. And the lesson here is that God is always greater than anything we fear. God is bigger than any problem we face. And God says, do not be afraid of them, for I am with you and I will rescue you. This is Pastor Mark Wright, and this is actually the conclusion of part one of the series, Be Strong and Courageous, because there's so many verses in the Bible that talk about this theme, do not be afraid. I'm going to extend it for part two, which will begin in March, God willing. Thank you for joining me. This is Mark Wright of Evers Road Christian Church.